Tired of drowning in paperwork and chasing signatures? Integrating Docusign with your WordPress website can automate your document workflows, saving you time and money today. We'll walk you through the simple steps to make it happen. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Navigate to Plugins on the left-hand menu, then click on Add New. We're going to search for a plugin that facilitates the Docusign integration. In the search bar, type Docusign or eSignature. Several plugins will appear. Research popular options like WordPress with its Docusign add-in or other dedicated eSignature solutions. Choose one that best fits your needs and budget. Click Install now on your chosen plugin, and then click Activate once the installation is complete. After activation, find the plugin in your installed plugins list and look for a settings or configuration link. Click on it to access the plugin settings page. Now, you'll need to connect the plugin to your Docusign account. This usually involves entering your Docusign API credentials, which you can obtain from your Docusign account settings. Follow the plugin's instructions for authentication. With the connection established, you can start creating forms or documents directly within WordPress. Map the fields in your WordPress form to the corresponding fields in your Docusign document. This ensures that data entered on your website automatically populates the correct fields in your Docusign envelope. Test your integration by filling out the form on your website. Verify that the information is correctly transferred to Docusign. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Docusign with your WordPress website, streamlining your workflows and empowering your online business. Now you can collect signatures and manage contracts, all in one place.